Over time, cities have played a central role in the global economy, known to be creative, innovative centers of growth. However, this perception of the city is far from the truth. In essence, cities produce 50% of the global waste and 60 to 80% of all greenhouse gas emissions. So cities like these, where waste management is substandard and often neglected, huge landfills, air pollution and congestion is rampant. It reminds us of the failure of our system and perhaps the daunting reality that this system is bound to collapse. This is the result of the take-make-waste structure. This means we are only using up limited resources to cater to an unlimited demand. To combat this, an alternative approach to the use of resources can be adapted. We can incline towards building circular cities. By definition, a circular city is, in short, one that eliminates waste, keeps goods and their ingredients in use, and regenerates natural systems. Instead of the usual take-make-waste structure of a linear economy, a circular design would mean the use of raw materials and non-renewable resources will be minimized. In order to build a truly circular city, urban systems such as buildings, mobility, products and services, and food will have to work together. It is very much like ecosystems, where each element has to function in conjunction with the other to survive. Buildings. Buildings can be flexible and dynamic with unique design that uses space well. The use of renewable and non-toxic materials to build will reduce construction waste and increase the reusability of materials. Mobility. In a circular city, affordable, accessible, and effective transportation systems can be introduced. Shared cars, buses, trains, and other public transport, which are far more cost-effective and accessible, can replace hundreds and thousands of cars that are on the street every day. Food. 1/3 of the total amount of food produced globally are wasted, when over 10% of the world population remain hungry. Relying on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides for conventional agriculture pollutes our environment and degrades soils. Food waste must be better managed, where people of the city, businesses and governments create a model that largely minimizes organic waste, where instead of waste being dumped in landfills, proper use is made of it. Products. 80% of a product's environmental impact can be determined at the design stage. This clearly calls for better design of products. The circular model promotes the idea of access over ownership, where people can have access to everything, and products are remade, reused, and recycled instead of discarded. In conclusion, even if an effective model of a circular city is available, the goal to be more sustainable should not only be economic, political, or social, rather a necessary one. At the end, we need the earth, perhaps more than it will ever need us.